Welcome to the headquarters of Encompass Supply Chain Solutions, a leader in distribution, 3PL and 4PL solutions for a wide variety of product verticals, from appliances and HVAC to consumer electronics and health and wellness. Formed in 1953, Encompass is one of the nation's largest distributors of repair parts and accessories. We are headquartered just north of Atlanta, a transportation super hub. With additional distribution centers in Florida, Nevada, New York, and Ohio, Encompass ships to most of the country in 2 days or less through economical ground delivery. Customers needing parts right away can also stop by one of our facilities for convenient pickup service. Our warehouse and distribution centers are designed to maximize efficiency. Through a variety of automated features, Encompass ships thousands of orders every day, so we're singularly focused on expediting the pick, pack, ship process while minimizing packaging waste. Encompass provides access to more than 8 million parts from 250 world-leading manufacturing brands through our robust e-commerce website, Encompass.com, as well as client-branded web portals. Our knowledgeable call center staff is ready to help place orders, identify parts needed for repair, and provide any other assistance to help ensure customer satisfaction. But Encompass is much more than a parts distributor. We maintain a depot repair facility, staffed with highly trained technicians skilled in repair and refurbishment of a range of electronic goods. We offer full reverse logistics service, an asset disposition for goods beyond economical repair. Encompass is dedicated to helping our customers be successful. That's why we offer a training center to manufacturers that need a centrally located facility to train their authorized service networks. We also host on-site and virtual classes open to all techs to help enhance their repair skill sets. Encompass manages every segment of the supply chain and can assist with any pain points. We specialize in parts supply chain management to ensure comprehensive support to customers after the sale, which in turn helps build client brand loyalty. Backed by advanced technology, Encompass tracks many different metrics to provide full performance visibility to our clients. We also offer value-added tech tools and resources to assist customers with everything from managing field parts inventory to installing water filters. With decades of logistics experience, Encompass is simply parts and the provider you can rely on to be your one-stop source for distribution, supply chain management, reverse logistics, and depot repair.